To paper trade options on Webull desktop, follow these steps. Download and open Webull desktop. Ensure you have the Webull desktop platform installed and logged in with your account credentials. Enable paper trading. Once logged in, locate the paper trading tab on the left-hand sidebar of the platform. Click on it to switch to the paper trading mode, where you will have access to virtual funds. Set up paper trading funds. Webull provides virtual funds by default. You can adjust the balance by going to the paper trading section and clicking on reset or edit to increase your virtual capital. Navigate to options trading. In the search bar at the top, enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade options on. Once you select the stock, click on the options tab on the stocks page. Select your options contract. Choose the desired expiration date and strike price. You will see calls and puts for both buying and selling. Place your trade. Click on buy or sell to create the paper trade. Specify the contract quantity and choose the order type. Click place order to execute. Monitor performance. Track your open positions in the paper trading tab and evaluate your strategy.